star delta control circuit. How to draw a star delta wiring diagram? We're only going to be drawing the control circuit. So we're going to take a line from L1 to our stop button, normally close, then to our start button, and then to our time relay. Then we're going to draw our auxiliary contact, normally open, which will be on our main contactor. Then we're going to draw our time relay. You will soon see the significance of these lines. It's going to be normally close time to open, then to a normally close auxiliary contact, which will be placed on the delta contactor. Then it goes to our star coil, and from there we go to our delta, which you should know. As soon as this closes and switches to the other line, this will close. And this is normally open time to close. This is still one time relay. And then from there we go to our star normally close contact, then to the delta coil. Now we're going to draw our main contactor. When doing this, you're going to need two auxiliary normally open contacts. One will be placed on the star contactor and the other will be on the main contactor. From there you go to your main coil. Now that all these coils must be placed in parallel, and then from there our overload. And then here to line 2 or 3. So here it's a wiring diagram for star delta control circuit. There we go.